Hey, hi. Yes, this is Satya returning again. I wanted to show you guys the banana plants. If you remember, we planted together. So, yeah, so it's grown so tall. Yeah, you can see. Yes, both of them have grown and they get a lot of leaves. And yeah, I can see. So, the main stem is definitely getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, yeah, it's almost yeah, more than, yeah, if I don't count the leaves, it's already reached more than 6 feet, just the stems. Yeah, so you can imagine. And the good news is we have the babies, as you can see. So these two babies born 2.5 weeks before. I couldn't show you guys, it was raining, and now I have another baby here which is coming out nicely. So yes, I'm just now can't wait to see some bananas. As I said, I'm waiting and ready to eat banana. I will be waiting. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and give us your comment. So on the growing tips, yeah, so we used to make sure that regularly water it once in a month. Uh, Cow manure, that's all. There is nothing else we did. And yeah, you can see. Thank you.